Hey friends, so wearing some fingerless gloves today. I've never explored doing the kettlebell with any kind of glove on. These are wool, so it's probably going to be a little slippy. Let's see what happens with it. I'm going to show you a little sequence that you might want to throw in. It's a good one for building your connection with your core, your glutes, your hamstrings. Good move. Let's do it. That's a good little sequence to really get your heart rate starting to go, warm everything up, awaken yourself from the ground up. I like an old blues song, and she says that she's tore up from the floor up. Let's do it.